Hello everyone, today I will be showing you and installing PITAKA phone case for my iPhone 11 Pro. So this is PITAKA Mag case for iPhone 11 Pro. And this is seamless technology experience, thinness protective phone case made from military grade material, keeping your phone protected while adding no bulk, just like no case is there. And this is my iPhone 11 Pro for this. So I will be unboxing this case. This is thinnest phone case made from bulletproof materials. That's the case. Enjoy your PITAKA products. It's a very nice case. Compatible with PITAKA magnetic mount. And thank you and welcome to the PITAKA family. So I'll be trying to install this to my iPhone 11 Pro. It's very easy to install. Just like that. First way this way, then like that. Very easy. Nice. And this is super strong case. Easy access to all buttons. You see, you can charge it. Easy access to all buttons. Volume down, up, and silent. The button here. Scratch resistant and is fingerprintless. 100% Aramid and new color fading, and the thickness of this case is 0.85 millimeter thick, and the weight is 14 grams. This is also wireless charging friendly case, protecting the camera as well. You can see here how protecting the camera. And now we will be taking out the case also, if this way or this way, like that. Firstly, and then like that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.